came home from grocery shopping at H Mart because my parents are actually coming over today. It's gonna be their first time seeing the apartment and we're gonna be hosting them. I'm planning on making some Japanese nabe using my new donabe pot that I bought recently. I'm also very excited to see them because I haven't seen them since the holidays because of all the moving and everything. I'm gonna be making the milfoil nabe that was very popular on TikTok, but I'm following a recipe from Just One Cookbook, and I actually used their recipe for a lot of the Japanese stuff that I cook. And the milfoil nabe is like so easy to cook and so delicious. So gonna go prep everything right now. Look at these cute chopstick rests that I bought. I bought chili pepper and carrot shaped ones, and they're ceramic and hand painted. So cute, and I'm gonna use it for the first time today.
Don't you notice how hard I'm trying when there's no one else around? Me and you, an awkward silence. I keep sneaking little looks your way. One day I'll be brave enough to look at you and say, oh, the burning pain when you don't realize you are my one soulmate.
Wow.
Oh, how I wish I could say one day, please be mine, I love you so. Will you just let me say that when I'm close to you? Oh, Cupid walks right through and shoots an arrow through my heart. But maybe I'm a fool. Why can't you feel it too? I know I loved you from the start.
제자리에서 가는 게 아니고 왼쪽으로 이동. 그런 식으로. 그렇지. 네, 맞아.
Working on the weekend like usual. They off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they pass us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too sunk up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist on the nuts.
We are in Soho right now, and we just put our names down for Thai diner. It's my favorite Thai place in New York, but they're always so busy, so it's a 45-minute wait. And while we kill some time, we're gonna go check out the Vandy pop-up. They have a pop-up in the Bowery showroom, so that's where we're heading right now.
Someone hit your block, bro, I tell you if it was us. In a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush. Say my day's a number, but I keep waking up. Know you see my text, baby, please say something. Crying by the flash on that cheapskate, niggas gotta move on my release day, Bitch, this is fame, not clout. I don't even know what that's about.
It's not bad. Really? When I first had it, I felt the burn.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh.
Like you feel it as if you took a shot.
Oh my god. That chocolate truffle literally tasted like a shot. And I didn't eat anything today, so hopefully I don't feel buzzed. I actually liked the jacket with my outfit today, so I walked out with it. Finally got seated. I changed into my original jacket because my new Vandy jacket had the pockets stitched up and I need my pockets for easy access, so that's what I'll have to do for now. Now we're on our way to Mackenzie Childs because I actually wanted to take a look at some of the teacups. If only I had an espresso machine, but I am getting 4 of these. over TikTok and Instagram, and it looks really cute inside. So if you're in the Soho area, I would definitely check it out, especially if you love high quality matcha. So we just got home, but we actually have to head back out because we ended up getting invited to the after party for the Vandy pop-up. So I just changed and gonna touch up my makeup and hair because I've been out all day and we have to head back to Chinatown. Since the weather was so nice today, I feel like everyone was out and the streets, the subways were all so crowded. So I'm a little bit tired, but that matcha gave me a little caffeine boost. I've been loving this blush I got from Korea. This is from the brand Romand, and this is the color Peach Chip. It's like a very light peach, but I actually like layering this underneath and putting a brighter pink on top. So I'm gonna put my favorite Dior blush. This is like a really nice hot pink, and I just like to put this in the center over here. Doesn't even show up on camera. Okay, gotta hustle and head back out. Hello guys, happy Sunday. Today is Super Bowl Sunday, so we're hosting some of our friends, but they're all in the media lounge right now because we have an amenity room in our apartment and they have a really big TV down there. We're gonna watch the game there tonight, and I am currently heating up the chicken wings that we bought. I pre-ordered it from Dan & John's and they have the best wings. I think they're from Buffalo, upstate New York. And while I'm waiting for that, I'm just watching A Killer Paradox on Netflix that just came out. I'm on episode 2 right now and the show is so good. Let's actually see how the chicken's coming along. I think it's almost ready, so I'm just gonna toss it in the sauce they provided. Yeah.